Our snowmageddon is all but gone. 38 degrees. Ah, shut up. Oh, there's the popo. Get the popo on camera. Yeah, that inch of snow has shut schools down all week. Government buildings down for like the last 3 days. No mail. Just absolutely screwed everything up down here. I need a lot of people to do me a favor. Go and subscribe to Fin Painter. You know, F-I-N Painter 1. Number 1. F-I-N-P-A-I-N-T-E-R and the number 1. Everybody go subscribe to that guy. He does a lot of body work, runs a body shop, lives in the UP of Michigan. He's just a few subscribers away from being cut off from AdSense in February. And when I mean a few subscribers, I'm talking 50. So just everybody go subscribe to him. You ain't gotta watch his channel if you don't like it. Just go subscribe to him. But anyway, they got my U-joint for my Passat in today. It's for an Alfa Romeo. I got a couple of other things I'm gonna do today. Got this damn retainer in my mouth. It's hard to talk. Blah, blah, blah. So we're going to go on home and do some work on the car. Hopefully we'll be back up to 2 cars. I got other parts coming for the Crown Vic or the Grand Marquis. I got everything coming for that. I need 1 tire. I got 1 tire with a busted belt. Bad busted belt. But we'll be back up and running. By the end of next week, I'll have everything going. But hopefully tonight I'll have the Passat back up and running. We took that U-joint and mic'd it out. And come to find out there's only one that's offered. And it's for an Alfa Romeo. And that damn thing cost me 50 bucks, so we'll be back. Alright, we got this one warming up. We're going to back this one out and see if the Passat won't roll in on its own, and then get it back up on jack stands. Hopefully I can get that drive shaft back in today for the night. I'll have something to drive tomorrow. Alright, when this thing was put together at the factory, they dimpled these edges. So really you couldn't push the caps out this way. So what I did is I cut the U-joint and then just tapped the caps in, took my Dremel and then cleaned. There was probably about 6 or 8 indentations with like a punch that I cleaned up. You can see that one there, I cleaned it up. So I can put the new caps in that way, okay? And then I will re-dimple them. And then what I've got is this green Loctite, which is nasty stuff. You put stuff together with green Loctite, it don't never come back apart. But we got to get our carrier bearing on our other half of our drive shaft. Then we have to put this piece in, put the bolt in, then we put the U-joint together. Alright, we got that part back together. I had to take the bracket off of this bearing because they gave me a bracket that was too short, but that's okay. There's the old bracket. New piece of metal. Take me a half hour. Make me a new bracket, tack weld it to there. Be good as new. My main concern is the U-joints right now. So that's what we're going to do, is get the U-joints in. This is all put together. We'll be back. once you got this U-joint in and centered exactly where you want it, give it a few minutes to set. You know, that Permatex, I don't know, 30 minutes, and then come back with a punch or a chisel and go around this edge as close to this as you can and whack it in about 5 or 6 places. And that'll raise that edge up and hold that U-joint in. Alright, there's the U-joint all back together. You can see the green Loctite. We're probably going to let this sit. I may even let it sit overnight. What I'll do, I'm going to work on this bearing bracket, get it made up. Whew, I'm out of breath. My other thing was go and subscribe. Fin Painter 1, all one word. FINPAINTER and the number 1. He's a good guy. Runs a body shop with his son. Upper Peninsula of Michigan. Fixes a lot of rust. A lot of deer hits. He's about 50 shy of getting cut off from AdSense. Even if you don't like to watch him, just sub him anyways. Doesn't mean you have to watch him. Just go on over there and sub him. I'll try and put the link down in the bottom of this video. Alright, so we're going to leave that sit till tomorrow. They say that stuff needs to sit overnight. So we're going to go ahead and leave that alone. Went ahead and made our new bracket. That's the new bracket. Okay, you see the lines we're going to cut. We'll be back with it cut and our new holes drilled. And we'll be back. Alright, there's my homemade bearing bracket. The bearing will sit right there and we'll tack weld it through those 2 holes. And that basically pushes this under the center of the car. This bolts to the side of the body with 2 nuts. And keeps that down the center line of the car. We'll go ahead and put some black paint on it after we get it all together. That's the old carrier bearing. It's kind of bent right now. And for anybody that wants to know, that's the UJ 413 SKF. That's the U-joint for all of these Passat all-wheel drives. So we went under there and made sure the bowl holes fit. We're good to go. We cleaned it up. We took this outside and let it cool on its own so it wouldn't get all soft and brittle on me. Or brittle on me, not soft. And then we'll be back tomorrow with round 2.